Hello everyone, welcome back to Magic Now. For this week's reading, the week starts from today, that is 15th of March to 21st of March 2021. So today we are going to do area wise how is going to be the week for all of us: health, job, business, and who are self-employed, finance, and your relationship with your loved one, means your love life. Here are the two crystals, blue and brown. Choose one from them. I am giving you 10 seconds and your time starts now. Okay, the time is over. We will go with the brown crystal first. This is for all of you who have chosen the brown crystal. How is going to be this week? Okay. So, as far as health is concerned, you can expect quite a healthy week. No need to have any worry or thought about health. This card is saying that even if you were not little, if you were little unwell previously, this week you can experience good health. And those people who are also in spirituality, you can expect your spirituality helping you to reach success in your life. Whatever expectation you have from this week, you can expect those who are practicing spirituality, you can expect those things fulfilling in your life, or you will get a signal that it is going to be fulfilled in this week. And of course, this is a majorly a health card, so you can expect a good healthy week this week, those who have chosen the brown crystal. Next, we are going to see among all of you, those who have chosen brown crystal, who are into job, working for some organization or working for somebody, how is going to be this week for them. So this week, for all of you who have chosen the brown crystal, and those who are into job, into service, this week the cards are saying that if you are facing anything in your workplace, good or bad, if you are having a tough time with your seniors or boss, or if you are expecting some some increment or some better position in your work, the cards are saying to have communication. Good communication will help in either case. If you are worried, not a communication which is a little argumentative. No, if you can, if you put your skill of communication, you can create benefit for you from your organization, either way. So that's the suggestion from the card. So communication will play a good role, an important role in your workplace this week. So now those who are into business or self-employed, let us see what the cards are suggesting them. Okay, there can be little lack of clarity in this week. So I am requesting the card to give me another card for an advice to what to do with okay. So very clear answer from the card. This week can be little confusing and little you can experience little lack of clarity as far as your business or whatever profession you are into as a self-employed person. There could be little lack of clarity, and it will mostly come if you become, if you become emotional about that confusion, it is not going to clear up. So the cards are asking you to not to be emotional about that thing. Be absolutely logical and use your brain, not your emotion, to clear the confusion. And if you do so, whatever you are aiming for in this week, as far as business or your self-employment is concerned, you will get the desired result. If you keep your mind and emotion separately and focus it on the confusion very logically, use your brain, business brain, working brain, and if you can do so, surely you will be able to get away with the confusion. You will see the sunshine after beyond the cloud, and you will be able to fulfill your goal. Whatever target you have in this week, you will be able to fulfill those. Okay, now how is going to be the financial reality in this week? Whoever has chosen the brown crystal. Oh, so yeah, little bit of contradiction here, because financial reality, all of you know this card now by now. This week should be a financial week for all of you. But here in these two places we have seen, here it is much more clearer. Maybe good communication will bring good result as far as finance is concerned. Here also, as I said, that's why I asked the card to give me another card, because confusion, if there is confusion, they need to advise us how to clear that confusion. So it was very clearly told by the cards that you should not be emotion means you should not be you should not get frustrated or irritated why this is so, but please use your common sense and wisdom to deal with. So why I am explaining again, because you can feel that this is little contradictory, because finance is very good, and also maybe financial reality would be anyway good, whether there is confusion or no confusion, whether it is from business or from other places. But be sure of a good, healthy financial week, whoever has chosen this brown crystal. Now, last but not the least, how is going to be your love life this week? Okay, good love life this week. You can expect protection, love, care from your partner. So, if you are not feeling that good, your partner will support you. Or if you are feeling good, you will feel protected and supported and being cared by your partner. So, as far as your love life is concerned, this is a good week. So, yeah, overall, quite a good week for all of you who have chosen this brown crystal. Now we will go with the blue crystal. By mistake I have taken all the cards. Okay, so now how is going to be this week for all of you who have chosen the blue crystal in all these areas: health, spirituality, job, business, finance and love life. Okay, time and again these three cards are coming, so let me see. There can be a little bit of issue with your health, but the cards are suggesting a little bit of maybe small break from your work and going for actually sort of hilly places or something like that nearby, and take a little off, and maybe your health needs little bit of rest, and otherwise I do not see any major issue as far as your health is concerned. Whether you go somewhere or take rest at home, but it's always better, the cards are suggesting always better to go somewhere, take at least 1 or 2 days of rest and then come back and start your work again. That is going to contribute to your health. So yeah, that is what the cards are suggesting here as far as your health is concerned. Now people who are into job and chosen the blue crystal, it's for you all. Yeah, not bad. Your job situation, work situation is will be quite fulfilling this week. Only again for all of you also, please do not bring your emotion into your workplace. Do away with emotion. Just focus on your work, and you can achieve good results in this week. And it would be quite a good and a good selling week as far as your work is concerned, whoever has chosen the blue crystal. Now, for all of you who are into business or who are self-employed and chosen the blue crystal, this reading is for you. Again, this in this spread also, there could be a little confusion again for all of you who are into business and who are self-employed. But here the answer is very clear that it is a temporary confusion. It is a temporary confusion. You will get some very good news which you are expecting maybe for your business, and the confusion is going to be cleared off. So not to worry at all. You will move ahead, and there will be no confusion left as the week progresses. So you will get a very good news, and that news is going to clear off all the confusions in your business or in your profession. Now the financial reality in this week for all of you who have chosen the blue crystal. Good money, personal finance you can experience, and you can experience finance from more than one source. It's for all of you who have chosen the blue crystal, you can expect money coming from other sources also, as your personal finance or in whatever way, wherever you require finance, you will get finance, and not from one source, it would be more than one source. Okay, and your personal finance will also grow in this week. So good financial reality for all of you in this week who have chosen the blue crystal. Now your love life. New love in your life. Those who are already into a relationship, you will feel a new approach or a newness in your relationship, and it is which is going to bring a fresh air into your relationship. So a good time, good week for again for all of you who have chosen the blue crystal as far as your love life is concerned. If you allow me, I will take out one more card for the health area, because there were 3 cards. Usually I do not read 3 cards, so there was little confusion. So let me just bear with me. I'll take out one more card. Okay, this card also came that time. So it is again showing that you have to little bit aware of your health, whether you are putting proper focus and you are taking proper rest as far as your health is concerned. So treat your health, what to say means health should be also your passion, other than other things, whatever, finance, relationship, anything. Health should be also your passion, and so be focus on your health little bit in this week. And also, as far as spirituality is concerned, I can see that some, if you are into spirituality, that is going to bring freshness and purity in your life in this way. Okay, so I just wanted to be sure about this area of your life. So I again did that, but the same card again came. So yeah, okay. So yeah, quite a pleasant week for all of you who have chosen the blue crystal. So have a fantastic and joyful and healthy week ahead. I'll see you again maybe at the weekend or next Monday. Till then, have a great time. Bye bye.